So we're getting ready to go into our room, and we're right across. Actually, there's a walkway right outside our front door for the most part to the outlets.
Yes, that is true.
So guess where we're going first thing tomorrow morning?
We're going shopping.
But first thing we're going to do is we're going to walk in, and let me turn the camera around here just a second. So we're going to walk into the to the room. The Hilton Grand Vacations Tuscany Village is where we're at, and I'm not sure which room we're at, but I'm going to turn the camera over once we get inside. Turn the camera over to Peg so she can do a room tour for you. But I wanted to show you the entrance to get in. This is actually a really nice setup. Just a quick reminder to hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already. Also the bell notification button below. That way you'll get notified when we put up future videos. And we'd love for you to hit that like button below as well. Love for you to do that. And what I like about this is their outside entrances. And so they say that it's cleaned inside, right?
Yes, it's a clean stay. So what you do is you have to break the seal to go in. So it's guaranteed that the room is clean.
And if the seal is broken, that means somebody's been in it. So let's bust on ourselves. Let's bust on in. And the seal is broken.
So we have a 1-bedroom on the first floor, which we requested because of the whole COVID thing. I don't like elevators. This is a recently remodeled room. This was done, they said, last May. So when you first come in, you have the flooring, like pergo flooring, dining room table that seats 4 with lighting, living room area, chair, coffee table, interesting coffee table, and you do have a really big TV. Stand, console table, some artwork, and let's see if this is a sofa bed. Yes, this is a sofa bed. And this does go to the porch, outside porch area. And this is a screen and porch. And we have a view of the lake. Ooh, how pretty. Look at that. And it does see 4 out here. And you can hear the pool music. We're across from the pool all the way there. Let's go to the master bedroom. This connects to a studio. We don't have the studio side, but connects to the studio. That would be the connection. And this is now the master bedroom. Look at the headboard. Wow. This one does have a ceiling fan. The bed. And table on each side with lights. It does only have 1 plug. Same thing with the other side and table. And this one does go to the balcony also. You have a chair, a pretty artwork, reading light, dresser with a wall-mounted TV. And it has a jacuzzi tub. Look at that jacuzzi tub. We usually don't use them, but it's here. I could soak my feet in it. How's that from walking too much? Because we're in Orlando. You know what we do when we go to Orlando? You tend to walk a lot. That's what's in here. This should be a closet. Closet with a safe. Extra blankets. Luggage rack. So in here, we have the bathroom. Toilet. towels, corner shower, double vanity, light and mirror. Light and mirror is the newest thing. And this says clean and disinfectant for your protection. Let's see what's in here. Underneath, extra toilet paper. Let's see if I can find the hair dryer. There's a hair dryer. And I think the last thing is the washer and dryer. Let's see what the washer and dryer is. The one bedrooms have the washer and dryer. Here's the one washer and dryer. Let's see how big this washer and dryer is. Okay, it's a good size. This is almost a full-size washer and dryer. I do like that. I know some units you can barely fit 2 pairs of jeans in it. The next portion is the kitchen. So the kitchen has the granite countertops, electric stove, stainless steel appliances. You have, it says extra cleaning and disinfectant for the top areas, which includes lights, lamps, switches, and electronic controls, handles and knobs, major bathroom surfaces, climate control panels, remote controls, telephone and clocks, bed and bedding, bath amenities, table, desks, and nightstands, iron and safe, food and beverage amenities. Let's see what's in the refrigerator, freezer. This one does have an ice maker. And let's see what's in here. They give you a knife set, toaster, towels. There's nothing in these here. Plates. Has 2 plates. That's interesting. Why is there 2 plates, 2 bowls, and 2 cups? That's very interesting. So there's only like 2 of each. I don't know why there's only 2 of each in here. Dish soap, Cascade, sponge, paper towels, more trash bags, trash can. Let's see if they're in the dishwasher. That's where they are. They were clean in the dishwasher. There was the mystery. So they are clean and they're in the dishwasher. Now I know where they're at. In the drawer. Says your dishes have been cleaned for your convenience. That's why they were in the dishwasher. And in here, you have some spoons, ladles, tongs, and of course, if you want a bottle of wine or the cork, you have a wine bottle opener. In here, you have some pans, pots with tops. Okay, now you do have the frying pan, the frying pan with a non-stick. Thank goodness. And a stock pot.
Thanks for checking out the videos. We do appreciate it. We're at the Hilton Grand Vacation Tuscany Village in Orlando, right across from the Outlet Mall. If you have not yet hit the subscribe button below, please do so. Also, the bell notification button below. That'll notify you when we put up future videos, and we'd love for you to hit that like button as well. As always, thanks for watching.